New wipers need a new wiper frame. With a stylish carbon pattern frame, the Kimblade wiper frame now features a lower height and high performance regardless of the vehicle type. Kimblade wiper frame is a simple adapter for all models, meaning the blade inserts can be easily installed and uninstalled at the time of replacement. Instead of going to the shop, you can now simply replace the torn blades yourself and reduce unnecessary costs and waste. Also, as we promised to our previous backers, the rear wipers are now available. Equipped with equally performing rectangular blades, you can safely maintain your visibility in the rear window at the same time. And that's not all. Our windshield care package has also been improved for superior maintenance. Enjoy the upgraded windshield cleaner, with which you can effectively remove all pollutants such as insects and grease from the glass. Kimblade wipers will smoothly apply a water-repellent coating as they move across the glass, once the glass is thoroughly cleaned with the windshield cleaner. In addition, enjoy the option of applying the water-repellent coating to area that wipers cannot reach using our special windshield treatment. Easily manage your windshield like a professional with our all-in-one product, Kimblade. In the history of the automotive industry over the past century, Kimblade has made its mark by revolutionizing the wiper function and bringing innovation to car maintenance. Our new rectangular blade wipers won invention competitions with granted patents. And most importantly, our backers have proven the effectiveness with overwhelming love and reviews following each campaign. As we strive to continue developing and bringing better wipers in the future, we are happy to present you with the best wiper for your rough days on the road. Kindly support us and join the safe journey with Kimblade.